Tired of dreaming about study abroad and feeling completely lost on where to even start? What if I told you that your global education journey could be simplified, stress free, and yes, even free? I spent 3 years researching study abroad, so you don't have to waste another day feeling lost, confused, or broke. Hello, everyone. And welcome to Covenant Beyond Borders. This is Priska Prem Shergill, co founder of Covenant Beyond Borders. And if you're watching this, you might have thought about studying abroad at least once in your lifetime, and maybe you even Google searched it 100 times and felt completely overwhelmed. Well, today this channel changes everything. Stay with me till the end because I'm going to share something very important that is going to change your study abroad journey completely. So let's start with our story. 3 years ago, my sister and I, we made a crazy decision. We wanted to study abroad, but the process, it was nightmare. Confusion everywhere, expensive consultancies and contradictory information, nobody to trust, and believe me, we felt scared, lost, and honestly broke. But we never gave up. We dove deep, we researched, we failed, we succeeded, we learned everything that is there to know about this journey. And that's when we realized something very important. Why should only rich people from big cities have the proper guidance? Why can't everyone study abroad, no matter where they come from or how much money they have? That's when Covenant Beyond Border was born. So my sister and I decided to turn our struggles into your success story. So what exactly is Covenant Beyond Border, CBB? Think of it as your personal study abroad bestie, because we are not just another consultancy charging you thousands. We are a moment, and here is why. So I'm going to explain our mission in a gist, and we believe that anyone and everyone can study abroad irrespective of their financial background, city, country, or circumstances. That's it. That's the vibe. We strongly believe that borders shouldn't limit you, your bank account shouldn't stop you, and your location shouldn't define you. So, on this channel, we are going to break down the entire study abroad journey into simple step by step tutorial. So, we will be choosing the right university for you, acing your IELTS exam with no stress, mastering English communication skills, and navigating your visa process like a pro, securing scholarships and financial aids, and managing stress, because believe me, it gets real. And so this is your ultimate guide to simplifying your study abroad process. Now you might be thinking that, okay, that sounds great, but does it actually work? Fair question. So let me tell you one thing. Before, officially launching Covenant Beyond Borders on YouTube or in front of the world, we decided to take some cases. We took 4 cases for fall 2025, this year, August 2025 term. And they were pretty hard cases, but we were successful in all the 4 cases. I'll be trying in other videos to bring that testimonies on this YouTube channel. If I can, if they are comfortable, I'll be finding one way or the other way of sharing that testimony soon. So stay tuned for that. So that's 100% success rate for us. And guess what? We are just getting started. Alright, listen to this because this is important. Spring 2026 intake is here, October is over. And if you're thinking of starting your study abroad journey in spring 2026, that is January 2026, now is the time to reach out. Why? Because I think early applicants have higher acceptance rate, and of course, you don't want to have last minute panic. That's not something I would recommend. So if you have been putting this thinking that I'll do it later, this is a sign. The time is now. Reach out to us today and let's get you started. Okay, so what do we actually do for you? Here is the breakdown of that. We provide comprehensive services, that is A to Z services, which includes university selection. We will be helping you find university that matches your goals, your budget, your strengths. We will be helping you in application guidance, step by step support through every form and essay. Then we will be helping you in IELTS preparation, proven strategies to ease your stress, English speaking coaching to master your confidence for interviews and communication, visa navigation, complete roadmap through the entire process, and financial aids and scholarship. We will help you find and secure funding. And then interview preparation. We will be taking a lot of mock interviews for your confidence builder so that you can ace your visa interview. And here is the best part, all services are free. Yes, you heard that right. All services are 100% free without any hidden cost, zero hidden cost. So now how it works. You reach out to us through WhatsApp, email, Instagram, Facebook, whatever is easiest and feasible for you. Our team will respond ASAP because we are always here for you. A personal counselor will be assigned to you. They'll be working very closely with you throughout everything, and you will be posted about every step of your way in this study abroad journey. And you won't feel alone, you will have someone in your corner the entire time. That's the Covenant Beyond Border. That's how we work. So if you're interested, here's how you can reach out to us. You can reach out to us through various platforms. You can reach out to us through directly WhatsApp, text, email, Instagram, Facebook, whatever is feasible and easiest for you. And I have posted all the links in the description box, and you can see it on the screen also. And seriously, we believe that no question is too small and no doubt is silly. We live for this. We literally live for this. So reach out anytime. Drop a message and let's get you started today. And you could be the next story, success story. Why not? Of course you could be. And let me tell you another thing, that what are the countries we are dealing with before I forget that. So here are the countries we are dealing with: United Nations, USA, United Kingdom, UK, France, Dubai, Germany, Ireland, New Zealand, and Australia. So if you're interested in studying abroad in any of these countries, do reach out to us anytime. So before you go, I would like you to know me a little better. I have another channel, my personal channel, that is Priska Prem Shergill, and I have literally very interesting stuff there, and I'll be posting more interesting stuff in the coming days. And as I'm moved to New York in spring 2025, this year January 2025, so I have really interesting stories to tell you all about life in New York and life in law school, because I'm doing masters of law. So I have really interesting stories to tell you all, and maybe I'll be sharing some English speaking tricks, hacks, and some motivational talks if you want some, and behind the scenes of Covenant Beyond Border success stories. So if you're interested, just go and check out that channel, subscribe to that channel, and I would love to see you all on that channel too. And think of this channel as your complete support system for study abroad journey. This is not just a channel but a community. So hit that like button, and before you hit that like button, I want to ask you one thing. If this video has resonated with you, and if you felt even a little bit of hope, would you do me a favor? Just shower this channel with your love and support. Hit the like button. It tells YouTube that we are doing something great. Subscribe so you don't miss an update or latest videos, and turn on the notification, that's the bell icon, and drop a comment. Tell us about your study abroad dream. And here is the real ask. Share this video with someone you know who is a study abroad aspirant. Maybe it is your friend, your sibling, your cousin, your relative, anyone you know who is a study abroad aspirant. Help them to see that study abroad isn't impossible. It is possible for everyone. I repeat, it is possible for everyone. So when you lift others up, you lift the whole community. So I would say it again, share this with anyone you know who is a study abroad aspirant. So that's it. That's what Covenant Beyond Border is all about. So if you're ready, reach out to us. Links are in the description box. Let's do this together. And I will see you super soon in the next video. Until then, fight good.